Hello po, lovely soul. I-share ko lang sa inyo yung two things if you want to know about the angels, kailangan, or if you want to know if the angels are true, kung totoo ba yung mga angels, so kailangan mayroon ka ng dalawang bagay na ito. Una is yung willingness, okay? How willing you are to know about the angels, okay? Are you willing to listen to those people who have experienced angels in their lives? Are you willing to search for the angels, okay? Kasi if you have the willingness, so kailangan, second is kailangan maging open ka din. Openness, how open you are to know about the angels. Kasi kapag willing ka, dapat kailangan open ka rin sa mga signs na ipapadala or ipaparamdam sa iyo ng mga angels. Kasi yung mga signs na ipapadala niya sa iyo is kakaiba siya, hindi siya yung pangkaraniwan. And mararamdaman mo po yan sa puso mo. Kasi yung mga angels, they are working through love. Okay? So, hindi pangkaraniwan yung mga signs na ipapadala nila. Na ipapadala ng mga angels sa'yo if you are willingness, okay? If you are willing and if you are open, so magpapadala sila ng mga signs sa'yo. Okay po? That two things is malalaman mo kung totoo ba yung mga angels. Okay? So, yun lang po, lovely soul. Thank you for watching. God bless and I love you.